Imagine a compact three-wheeler that costs less than many smartphones, carries passengers through crowded streets, saves fuel like a motorcycle, and still manages to look futuristic in 2026. That's exactly why the new Toyota Auto Rickshaw is getting attention across Asia, Africa, and even parts of Europe. With an estimated price close to $900 in some developing markets, this tiny vehicle is being called one of the smartest low-cost transportation solutions of the future. And honestly, the first thing people notice is how different it looks compared to traditional rickshaws. Toyota has given this three-wheeler a much cleaner, modern, and almost mini-car-inspired design. Instead of the old boxy shape with exposed metal and noisy engines, this version feels more refined, more practical, and surprisingly futuristic for such a low price. At the front, the Toyota-inspired styling is obvious. The compact LED headlights give it a premium appearance, while the aerodynamic body shape helps reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. Even though it's a small vehicle, the design tries to make it look stable and modern rather than cheap. The windshield is larger than older rickshaws, giving the driver a better road view and improving visibility during rain or nighttime driving. Some variants even come with a small digital instrument cluster, USB charging ports, and basic infotainment support, which is something you normally never expect in a vehicle this affordable. Now when it comes to dimensions, this three-wheeler is designed mainly for crowded urban roads where large cars struggle to move efficiently. The compact body allows it to squeeze through traffic, narrow streets, and busy market areas with ease. In countries where traffic congestion is a daily nightmare, this type of vehicle can literally save hours every week. Delivery riders, taxi drivers, and even small business owners are seeing these vehicles as money-making machines because of how low the operating costs are. Under the body, the Toyota Auto Rickshaw uses a lightweight chassis that keeps the overall weight extremely low. And because the vehicle is lighter than a traditional car, the engine doesn't need massive power to move it efficiently. Most versions are expected to use a small displacement engine somewhere around 200cc to 300cc, depending on the market. Some rumors even suggest hybrid and fully electric variants may appear in the future. If that happens, it could completely change public transportation in developing countries. The fuel economy is one of the biggest highlights here. Reports suggest the petrol version could deliver extremely impressive mileage figures, making it one of the cheapest vehicles to operate daily. For drivers who spend 10 to 12 hours on roads every day, fuel savings directly mean higher profits. That's why auto rickshaws remain extremely popular in major cities. But Toyota seems to be trying something different here. Instead of making a simple transport machine, they're trying to make a smarter and more durable mobility solution that feels closer to a compact car than a noisy three-wheeler. Inside the cabin, space utilization is surprisingly clever. Even though the body is small, the seating arrangement allows multiple passengers to sit comfortably for short city rides. The seats are wider and softer compared to many traditional rickshaws. The roof height also gives decent headroom, which improves comfort during daily commuting. Ventilation has also improved, with larger side openings and better airflow designed to reduce heat buildup inside the cabin. Drivers will probably appreciate the ergonomics the most. Traditional rickshaw drivers often spend long hours in uncomfortable positions, but Toyota appears to have focused on reducing fatigue. The handlebar and seating position feel more natural, while the controls are placed within easier reach.